Hello, and welcome back to Supernova 101. In this video, we'll explore how to create and manage invite-only design systems in Supernova. This powerful feature gives you complete control over who can access your design system, ensuring security and exclusivity for the right collaborators. This is especially useful for early-stage projects, confidential initiatives, internal team documentation, or collaboration with external partners. Let's dive in. Setting up a current design system to invite only in Supernova is simple. In order to convert an existing design system, navigate to the design system settings of the system you want to secure. Under Design System Access, switch to Invite Only. This will close the system to all workspace members. Add specific workspace members to the design system and confirm. Alternatively, you can create a new design system and set its design system access to invite only. Add existing workspace members to your new design system to grant them access. Design systems that are set to everyone at your workspace name will automatically grant access to all workspace members. And that's how you can create and manage invite-only design systems in Supernova. This feature allows you to secure your design system while maintaining clear oversight by organizing users into specific design system teams. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next Supernova 101. Until next time, happy designing!